This video is sponsored by EduQuest. EduQuest offers skill-based courses in digital marketing, stock market, coding, and more. It provides self-paced and live classes with expert mentors. Gamified learning helps students practice with real-world projects. Courses are available in both Tamil and English. Get certified and boost your career with affordable combo prices.
The struggle to find courses that truly speak your language, it's finally over. Welcome to EduQuest, where learning is made just for you. At EduQuest, we bring you a wide range of online courses, from career building programs to skill boosting masterclasses, all in your regional language. Because we believe language should never be a barrier to success. Our courses are tailor made after understanding what today's learners really need. So why wait? Start learning the smarter, simpler way only with EduQuest. Visit eduquest.courses and explore your next course today. And hey, don't miss out on our exciting offers and promotions.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मोटिवेशन का दौर। तो आज के इस दौर में आजकल का दौर भी चल रहा है एआई का। तो मैंने सोचा मैं अपने चैनल में जो बोलता हूँ बताता हूँ उसको क्यों ना आज एक एआई के द्वारा भी आप लोगों के सामने प्रस्तुत किया जाए, क्योंकि आजकल तो ऐसा हो गया है कि इंसानों पे कम विश्वास किया जाता है बट एआई पे आंख बंद करके 100% भरोसा किया जाता है। क्योंकि हाँ, ऑब्वियसली बात है कि वो इंटरनेट के द्वारा मिलता है हमको, with all the resources it gathers, it gives that information, right? So मैंने पूछा describe motivation in a picture and I got this as the motivational picture. And अगर मैं झूठ ना बोलूँ तो सच्चाई ये है कि whenever we make a diagram, जब हम बच्चे होते थे, whenever we used to draw something that depicts or shows success, motivation, inspiration या कुछ achieve कर लिया वो, so we used to draw the similar kind of things, like a person raising its hands and मतलब खुले आसमान के नीचे and celebrating its success. चाहे वो खुले आसमान में मतलब सितारे हों आसमान में या सूरज हो, and this looks like कि ऐसे ट्रैक करके गया and like sunrise हो रहा है and he is celebrating the success. So this picture really, from my point of view, 100% depicts what motivation का दौर में success मिलना means. Like you have gone through every failure, every ups and downs, every discomfort that you face in your journey, but still you pursue your dream, you go towards your aim and achieve success, and finally you achieve the joy. So मैंने इसी से पूछा कि एक बार इसको ज़रा डिस्क्राइब कर दे। This described it. The image captures a powerful moment of triumph and motivation, showcasing a silhouette of a person standing atop a hill against a breathtaking sunset. Okay, मैंने sunrise बोला था. This scene symbolizes the achievement of personal goals and journey towards self-discovery. The vibrant colors of the sunset, warm oranges and soft pinks, evoke feelings of hope and renewal, suggesting that each day brings new opportunity. The figure's outstretched arms convey a sense of victory and freedom, representing the exhilaration that comes from overcoming challenges. The winding path leading to the summit signifies the struggles and perseverance required to reach one's aspiration, reminding viewers that the journey is as important as the destination. The surroundings, mountains and trees add to the sense of vastness, illustrating that the world is full of possibilities waiting to be explored. जैसा कि मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि आपको इस जर्नी में, आपको इस दौर में हर एक चीज़ मिलेगा जिसको आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो। फेल हो गए तो आप उसको वापस सीख सकते हो। यू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी। किसी भी चीज़ को हासिल करने का कोई उम्र नहीं होता है। सक्सेस इज फॉर एवरी एज। ओवरऑल दिस इमेज सर्व्स एज अ poignant reminder that with determination and resilience, one can rise above obstacles and embrace the boundless potential within themselves. You have endless potential in yourself. Never quit, never say no to the challenges that come to you. Face it, भले आप फेल हो उसमें, फेस करो, उसको सीखो, उस पर और बेहतर बनो, तभी आप आगे जो काम करना चाहते हो आप उसमें बेहतर बन पाओगे। लाइफ ऐसी चलती है, खुशी के साथ और चैलेंजेस के साथ। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।